Now we are discussing about money making options in that audio or video editor. There are 2 million podcasts available to listeners for audio editing, audio editors. For this reason, brands are turning to audio and visual content to connect with customers. The catch is that many don't have the time to invest in the production of this content, or they don't have the skills to do it. Audio and video editors are in demand when it comes to producing quality content for hungry audiences. Nowadays, historians or history, civics, subject specialists, history or civics or subject specialists are also making podcasts to express their opinions in a simple way according to their expertise. So it is audio podcasting is also very good service. Once if you call an editor for audio editing or audio or video editing also, if you call one editor, he will come with all the receivers and mics and recording details, everything. He will take the podcasting and he will provide the video also to him, and you can put it in mobile, and as well as if you are having a website, you can put in that also. Likewise, you can do, and you can expose the details in if you are interested in social media also. But that is the information. So audio or video editor services is also a very good service, but it is very intellectual and as well as very official also, because video editing is also a very good work. Sir, video editing, cameras and so many background editor, all these will be there. So according to your video editing also, you will get very good income. So likewise, it is also a very good thing. And suppose some physics lecturers and chemistry lecturers and history lecturers and arts lecturers also can create a podcast. Interestingly, if they are expertise in certain things, and they can release a podcast also in social media, in their website, in YouTube videos also, and so likewise they can do it very well. So audio or video editors also specialize in that, and you need not have any equipment. One podcast is there, you can call them and they will do everything, and they will set it, and you can do your audio podcast half an hour or 1 hour. Likewise, video editing also is nowadays very easy, because once if you call video editor, he will come and he will do everything, and he will set his camera, and he will suggest you also in which way you should sit and what you have to say and all these also. So likewise, video editing is also a very good service, and audio editing is also a very good service, and it is very good demand is also there. Sometimes your audios and videos may be viral also in YouTube and in websites also. So that it is also a successful career. If it is positive and it is having a very good subject, then you are the king. Wishing you all the best.